Hi, welcome to my channel. So this is the wonder of the seas boardwalk. I'm gonna take you to the social 100 in this video. You're going to watch, it's in the same floor. You can see that it is the wonder tunes, and then this is the basketball court. So I'm gonna take you to the social 100 right now. Get ready. This is the pool deck. It's, you can see today the weather was little bit rough. There you go. This is an automatic door. Very nice. You can see a lot of vending machine here. Plenty stuff, whatever. It looks really amazing, great. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I don't think that any other ship is giving this much of vending machine. It's really great. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same. You can see the lot of stuff here. USB cables and Sony headset, Bluetooth, so much stuff here. JPL. Lot of stuff, amazing. Looks great. Here we go. Now we are going to look the social 100. This is the place, social 100. Only 13 to 17 years old. This is location is deck 16. One deck below is 15. That is a windjammer. If you come a little bit limper, you're gonna be enter over here. Looks really great. This is the entrance. This looks just really beautiful. So you will get some snacks here. There is another vending machine. So this is the social 100 on the new Wonder of the Seas. Teens get an exclusive space that's all their own. They have a lot of seatings. The indoor teen area, social 100, which is gives it just a come and go. It's area to hang and it's equipped with TVs and video games and plenty of seating just to chill. And it's a playtime redefined. You can see this, it looks so good. A lot of games. This one I just really like it. Kids can let their imagination guide the way and a lot of creation to explore at place. This is actually social 100 is an indoor area. Age is 13 to 17 years old. It's exclusive for teens. Price, it is complimentary, but there are operational hours maybe vary. Alright guys, now we are going to outdoor area, the Patio. This place just incredible. It is an outdoor area. It's only for 13 to 17 years old. Look at this place, just so cute, just lovely. The largest outdoor teen space on Voices class ship till date, bringing teens their own exclusive outdoor hangout featuring a first to brand offering for teens including bar plus jacuzzi and outdoor games. This is an outdoor area. It looks really nice. You can see a lot of chairs. This is the bar, but I took this video a little while before, so now it's in operation actually. So look at the hot tub. It looks really cool. I can't control my selfie time. So amazing, looks really great. You can see the ocean. So now you have better idea actually where is this located. So pool deck, after that sun deck, it is a sky deck, and then you're gonna see this is the Patio. Do you like it? For sure everyone will like it. This is really nice. This is the place where you get shower, and then you can get into the hot tub. So the bar. So in the bar you will get a lot of mocktail, non-alcoholic, of course, non-alcoholic, a lot of cocktails and maybe smoothies. There you go. Are you ready to play? It's a jumbo game. Thank you guys. Love you all. Take care. Stay safe.